Hi, thank you Nicole for agreeing to talk to us. Could you tell me a little bit about who you are and what you do?
Yeah, my name's Nicole. I'm the owner of the Macquarie Motel.
Okay, and just out of interest, how long have you been using the product? I believe you've got there the LG Titan.
Yes, probably roughly about 3 months now.
Okay, and what was the problem that you had that tempted you to what was the problem you had to try and solve?
Yeah, I had a 10 kilo domestic washing machine, and I was doing washing till probably anywhere between 6 and 10 o'clock at night. So this has definitely solved the problem. Now I'm finished my washing by about probably 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
That's brilliant.
So,
how many loads was that approximately?
with the old one, or
With the old one?
probably at least 10.
Oh.
So this one's a 15 kilo one now, so probably, it cuts it down considerably.
All right. And just out of interest, when you were looking for a product to solve this problem, where did you go looking?
Just Googled, and then made a telephone call and got onto the rep, and they came out and gave me a quote, and they were fantastic.
Oh, brilliant. And what would you say about Richard J, generally, the whole service, the sales down to the service itself?
Yeah, very professional. Definitely followed up on the quotes and the after service as well.
All right, brilliant. Anything else that you want to say about the machine itself?
No, it's just a lifesaver.
A lifesaver.
I've got my life back now. I've not spent all the time in the washing
Oh.
now, so yeah, it's fantastic.
That's really good to hear. And anything else that can help you with, let us know. And
Will do.
Thank
Lovely.
you. Thank you so much, Nicole.
No worries. Thank
Appreciate
you.
that.
Bye.
Bye.